Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today we are going to be working on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication again. Yesterday we made an anchor chart that had this saying at the top, many zoos, many animals. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be solving some more practice problems with 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. What I need you to do is I need you to pause this video, go get a sheet of paper and something to write with, and work the problems out with me. Our first problem that we're going to solve this morning is we are going to solve 82 times 64. Now, we remember yesterday when we said many zoos, many animals. Each of the letters at the beginning standed for a word that we needed for each step. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Our first word was multiply. That's our first step that we're going to have to do. And we're going to multiply everything that is on top, so my digit up top is 8 and 2, by the ones place, which is the 4. And what we're going to do is we're going to be using our multiplication chart to help us. So the first thing we're going to do is 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we're going to multiply 4 times 8. 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Notice I have nowhere to carry my 3 because I'm at my final place value. So I'm going to write 32. And notice today I have my paper turned sideways, so that way I can fit one digit per column, so I can keep all of my place values lined up. So we did the first step, multiply. My second step is I have to do something with a z. What did that z stand for? Oh, zeros. So now I'm going to add a 0 in my ones place. And that is because I've used this 4. I do not need any more things in my ones place. My next M stands for multiply again. This time I'm going to multiply my tens place by every digit that's on top. And remember, I always have to start from the back and work my way to the front. So working from right to left. So now I'm going to multiply 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Put my 2 for my 12, and I have to carry my 1. Because there's another place value right here. Now I have 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Notice I don't have any more place values, so I'm going to write my digits down here. I also have to add that 1 that I recently regrouped with. So 48 plus 1 is 49. And now I have multiplied. I added my 0. I multiplied again. My A stands for add. So now I'm going to add my digits together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. I have a digit in my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. I'm going to put a comma to separate my thousands from my hundreds place value. So my final answer for this problem is 5,248. The next problem that we're going to solve is we're going to do 12 times 22. 12 times 22. Again, my first step is to multiply. Multiply everything in the ones place by every digit on top. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So I did my first step, I multiplied. My second step is 0. I've got to add a 0 right here, and that is because I am finished with this ones place. That's going to be a ones placeholder. Now I'm going to multiply everything by my digit that's in the tens place, which is 2. Again, 2 times 2, we just did it, is 4. And we also did 2 times 1, which is 2. So I have multiplied, I added my 0, I multiplied again. Now my last step is to add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Nothing plus 2 is 2. I have a digit in my ones, tens, and hundreds. I have nothing in my thousands, so I do not need to add a comma. So my final answer is 264. The last problem I want you to do on your own. So the last problem is, let's do 73 times 35. So what we're going to do is you're going to pause this video. I want you to solve this problem on your own and then unpause the video to see if you got the correct answer. Now that you have solved the problem, let's check to see if your work is correct. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. I need to carry my 1. 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. And 35 plus 1 is 36. So I did my first step. I multiplied. My second step is to add a 0. Next step is I'm going to multiply everything by the 3 now because it's in the tens place. We don't need that 1 and we've already used that 1 that we carried over. So now we're going to multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And I have nowhere to carry anything else, so I'm going to write 21 down here. I multiplied, added my 0, multiplied again. Now I'm going to add. Five plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Nothing plus 2 is 2. Notice I have a digit in my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So what I need to do is I need to place a comma between my thousands and hundreds place. So my final answer is 2,555.